To connect your Cash App to Robinhood, you can link them using their respective debit cards. Start by opening your Robinhood app and clicking on the card section at the bottom of the screen. Then share your card details. If you haven't applied for a card, you can do so by clicking the Join Waitlist button. Once you have a card, open your Cash App, click on the profile icon, and select Link Banks. Then, click on Link Debit Card or Credit Card, enter your Robinhood card number, expiration date, CVV, and zip code, and click Link Card. After your card has been added, go to the home page of your Cash App, click Add Money, choose the amount you want to add, and select the Robinhood debit card as your payment method. The money will then be transferred from Robinhood to your Cash App. To link your Cash App card to Robinhood, open the Robinhood app, click on the profile icon, and select the three-line menu at the top of the screen. Click on Transfers, scroll down to the Link Accounts section, and click Add Account. Select Debit Card, enter your Cash App card details, and click Continue. Once your card is added, you can transfer money from your Cash App card to Robinhood. This process is quick and easy, and by following these steps, you can successfully link your Cash App to Robinhood.